Hey everyone, what's going on? This is BJ Pavanka coming at you live from Connecticut in the United States. And this is day one of the Internet Lifestyle Network 100-Day Video Challenge. Really excited to interact with y'all over the next 100 days. And honestly, I'm also really excited to see what others of you out there have to say in the next 100 days as well. It's going to be a really exciting time. Really looking forward to seeing where we all end up with our businesses. Wishing you all the best as we go through this. But now let's move on to our first topic, and I'm going to start off with a very simple question for you guys. Why are you here? And I know that seems like a very simple question, but having that solid why is probably one of the most important things you have to have when you're starting off in an internet business. A lot of people, when you ask that question, are going to say very simple things like, I want to make more money, or I don't like what I do. This seems like it would be better. I don't like my boss. I don't like having to get up at 6 o'clock, have an hour commute each way, so that, being able to work in my pajamas is probably the dream. And those are all legitimate perks to having a successful internet business. You can make more money, you can work from home, you don't have to wear the suit every day, and that's great. But that's not going to be enough when you're facing those challenges, and we're all going to face those challenges where your business is going to be stuck, where you're not going to have the success you want. You're going to see a lot of rejection, and you're going to think about quitting. And just having those I want to make more money, or I just want to, I don't like my boss, it's not going to be enough to keep you in the game when those things are going to be getting a little bit tougher. But instead, what you really need to do is figure out why you're here, but connect with it on a more emotional level. And one thing that is really good to do is actually write down, what do you really want out of your life with your internet business? What's your dream income? What's your dream lifestyle? Are you working from home in your pajamas, just hanging out in a mansion, or are you out on a yacht, in the South Pacific, working on your business from a laptop, sitting on a boat? Neither one of those is wrong. It's what do you really want, though? What is going to keep you focused and working in the game when you face those challenges, when things are going to get a little bit difficult? And when you actually take the time to go out and write it down and show what you want, you get this clarity about you and your dream, and you just get emotional. You're gonna feel it, you're gonna taste it, you're gonna experience it almost in your mind ahead of time, and then you can hold on to that. And when you're facing these challenges, you just really get to think about that. Look at what you wrote and really think about it again. Think about how that made you feel, and that's one of those things that's really going to keep you going. And so that's what I would say. Your first thing you should really do, honestly, is actually maybe write that out. Write down your lifestyle you want. When you have your successful business, what do you really want? What's going to keep you focused when you have challenges that are going to knock you down a little bit? Think about that for a little bit. I think it's something that could really help everyone in the business. Think about the emotions going to bring up, and really, if you're not crying, your dream probably isn't big enough. So get out there, guys. Write down, what your dream is. Keep it in mind. Tape it up onto your mirror in your bathroom, on your wall, right behind your laptop, and just really think about that every time you're going out there and working, because it's all going to be worth it. All right, guys, that's it for today. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Peace.